This is the Capsule W5, the first air conditioner designed with you in mind. The W5 is the slimmest air conditioner available at only 7 inches tall, allowing you to keep your view. The W5 is smart. Use the Kapsul app to set a schedule for cooling just when you need it, or ask your smart speaker to shut it off on your way out the door. Kapsul works with Google Home, Alexa, and Nest right out of the box. Installation is a one-person job. The lightweight frame goes in first, providing a secure fixture for the W5 to slide into place. Storage is easy. The slim design makes it easy to tuck away in the off-season. Capsule W5. This is what comfort should look like.
Nowadays, there is something wrong with the market of climate equipment. On the one hand, there are plenty of absolutely inefficient small devices that don't prevent suffering from heat. On the other hand, there are overpriced bulky solutions that consume tons of energy. They require complicated maintenance and, to be honest, not always provide you with desired level of comfort. I don't know about you, but I would like to have a device that combines portability of desktop gadget with efficiency of modern technology. Meet next generation of Eva Polar, smart personal air conditioner. This multifunctional device cools, humidifies and purifies the air, creating a perfect microclimate around yourself.
Evapolar is easy to use as 1, 2, 3. Fill the water tank, adjust the fan speed, enjoy it. Evapolar works on power of water evaporation. It literally creates this natural refreshing breeze one can feel at the sea coast. Unlike fans that dry your hair and skin, Evapolar produces moist air, taking care of your health and beauty.
Everybody has their own temperature of comfort and optimal humidity level. This is definitely not something that central air conditioning systems respect. Also, cooling effect spreads unevenly, and those who are close to an air conditioner always feel too hot, and others always feel too cold. During the summer season, poorly air-conditioned spaces become unbearable, and regular heat waves make it much worse. Even best climate systems often can't cope, and you need some extra cooling power. Eva Polar makes you feel comfortable in any conditions, improving your productivity and helping you to achieve more.
The core technology behind Evapolar is EvaBreeze, a specially developed evaporative metamaterial based on mineral nanofibers. This allows Evapolar to be both compact and powerful. Unlike traditional materials, EvaBreeze doesn't contain any organic elements. This prevents bacteria and mold spread. Moreover, there is no freon or any other toxic coolant. This makes Evapolar technology absolutely safe to use and eco-friendly. Thank you.
Evapolar is a truly smart device. It consumes less energy than a light-saving bulb, significantly reducing your bills. With a variety of tools for automation, smart home integrations, and application control, Evapolar will easily become a natural part of your office or home ecosystem.